Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy, also known as ETCG1, been posting videos to this channel. Hey, thanks for watching, and you know what, if it is your birthday, I want to wish you a very special happy birthday. Yes, that's a very special happy birthday to you. All right, let's have some fun today. I got this in the mail not too long ago, and what this is one of these things where they want to contact you and tell you your vehicle's out of warranty. It says, Eric, this is our attempt to inform you that the factory warranty on your 2007 Mini may have expired or is about to expire. Please call within 5 business days. Call to confirm receipt of this notification as soon as possible. If you go without coverage, you will be responsible for all repairs in the event of a breakdown. Now, I'm past this by 2 days. The deadline was actually 7/18, as you may have already seen here. But I thought, you know what the heck? Why don't I call one of these people up? They don't know who I am. And since they record my phone conversations, I'm going to record theirs. Put this on speaker.
Hello, and thank you for calling our Loyalty Vehicle Protection Center. For quality control purposes, your call may be monitored or recorded. Please stay on the line, and one of our representatives will be with you shortly.
Thank you for calling the Activation Department. My name is Joe. How can I help you today?
Good morning, Joe. My name is Eric Cook, and I received a notice in the mail that the warranty was about to expire on the vehicle that I just purchased.
Sure. I can look that up for you and see what's going on. Up on top of the notice that you got there should be a reference code. Starts with the letters UP. Go ahead and give me that. We'll see what's going on.
Let's see. Oh yeah, I see it. It's UP 065-17611.
You got the 2007 Mini Cooper. All right. How's that vehicle treated so far?
Well, to be honest, it's had a lot of issues.
Uh-oh. How many miles you got on the vehicle?
I think there are about 115 on it now, but I did buy it used.
Right. Okay. So yeah, the reason for the notice would be about the warranty on that vehicle. Everybody gets the same notice, but every vehicle is a different situation, obviously. Yours was the factory warranty was only a 4-year, 50,000, so obviously that would have expired a long time ago.
That's what I thought. That's why I was confused by the notice.
Yeah, like I said, every situation, some people get it with like a 2018 with 300 miles on it. I mean, they all get the same wordage on the letter, unfortunately. But the purpose is still the same. If it's out of coverage, we want to reactivate the coverage. If it still has a little bit of coverage, we want to extend it out for them. So in your case, obviously, we would just be looking to reactivate that coverage for you. That way, if you do have more problems in the future, obviously, we'll pay for those repairs. What kind of problems are you currently having, though?
Oh, there were a lot of problems. There were some oil leaks, there were some noises from the engine, there were some problems with the brakes, there was some kind of water leak inside of it, and that's why I was confused by your notice, because to me it seemed like the car really, it was an older car, and I purchased it as an older car and that kind of thing, so I wasn't too worried about any kind of warranty stuff.
Okay. Well, we do cover vehicles up to 20 years old, up to 250,000 miles. At the mileage you're at, you would still qualify for enhanced level coverage, which is still a great level of coverage. It would cover engine and transmission, the drive axle, seals and gaskets. It'll cover the turbo that's on there. It'll also take care of like your heating and air conditioning, the cooling system, your fuel and electrical system as well. All right.
So what you're saying is if I had problems with those systems, you'd be covering those repairs?
If you had problems with those systems in the future, anything that's currently an issue, like if you have a leak or a check engine light right now, I wouldn't legally be able to put coverage on it because that's a pre-existing condition. But as long as you don't have any leaks or check engine light, I can put coverage on it, and then if something happens to it in the future, yes, we would take care of that.
So really, this isn't going to help me for the problems I'm having with the car now?
Depends on what those problems are, right?
Well, like you said, you're not going to cover anything that's already existing with the vehicle.
What exactly is going on with the vehicle?
Well, as I said, it's got oil leaks. It's got the clutch is acting a little weird. The brakes have problems. There was a water leak inside of it.
That leak right there. It depends on what the problem is. Like if your air, isn't cold or something like that, and that's currently not working, we would fix that. You just have to wait for the 30 days before you take it to the shop. But if it's something major like you got going on with that leak, legally I can't even put coverage on it because it would be insurance fraud. Both of us would be in trouble, and I don't want that to happen either. So
I see.
right now you would have to get that taken care of first, and then give us a call back, and then we can see about putting some coverage on it.
So how much would this coverage cost me?
Let's see, on your Mini Cooper, it's looking like 5 years would be $4,900 for all 5 years. So you're looking at $980 a year.
So that would be almost as much as the car. Actually, that's more than what I paid for the car.
Right. Well, it's based off of what repairs cost, not what the value of the vehicle is. You could have a clunker, and if you got to replace a transmission, that transmission is probably going to be worth more than the car is anyway. So that's why our policies are based off the same thing there.
So why even bother covering a vehicle where the repairs cost more than the vehicle itself?
Like I said, every situation is different. Some people have an older car that may be sentimental to them, or that they really still enjoy, and to them it's worth putting the coverage on. For you, it sounds like it's obviously not. And that's perfectly fine. If you're not interested in the coverage, I can take you off the list. That's a big deal.
I was just curious because, like I said, I got this notice, and I wondered how I got it because I only told a few friends that I had gotten a new car, but it just seemed a little odd to me that I was getting a notice about a warranty for a vehicle that was out of warranty and obviously had some mechanical issues.
Right. Well, we don't know anything about the issues that you may or may not be having with the vehicle, but we do get information from a lot of different sources. It could be like the oil change place that you go to, DMV, the dealership, looking at the car online. As of where we got your information 100%, I wouldn't be able to pinpoint that for you, but that is the type of places we do get information from.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time.
Absolutely, sir.
All right, you have a good day.
You too, sir. Have a good day.
Well, they didn't try to sell me something I didn't need, and they obviously wanted to avoid doing or saying anything illegal. So it is above board. It's a business that apparently, I don't want to say preys upon people that might be ignorant, but that's kind of the reason why I wanted to make this phone call, because I know that people get these notices for these things all the time and may be ignorant of the fact of, what exactly is happening. So, apparently these people, to me, it appeared that these people are above board. Now, I can't speak for what happens when you actually make a claim about a repair, but as you heard, if you're going to make a claim about a repair, it can't be about something that's already existing on the vehicle, because that would be fraudulent. But as you heard, the coverage for my vehicle for 5 years would be $4,900. On a good day, that car all fixed up the way it is now, I would say is probably worth $5,500 as far as the cost of the vehicle, so it would cost almost as much. And given the repairs that I've put into the Mini, at least of this vintage, to me it seems like diminishing returns. So there you have it. I called the warranty company up to find out what they have to say about my Mini Cooper that they wanted to sell me an extended warranty on. There it is. Anyway, if you have automotive questions not covered in this video, ericthecarguy.com, link down in the description. I will also link other information and videos down in the description to keep you entertained, so please check the description for additional information. Aside from that, be safe, have fun, stay dirty. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.